Yo, I'm Jeff, and I would love to join the Art SMP. Now, I could tell you why I'd be a great addition, or I could let my resume speak for itself. I'm a professional grinder that can appear online at concerning hours, turn a simple project into a 3-day grind, and I beat Subnautica. I have many talents. I can build, make traps, dox people that wasn't supposed to be in the script. I'm a musician that can play on all these instruments. I enjoy music and love singing in choirs and a cappella groups, which I've had some experience in. I love Minecraft content and collaborating with others, which is honestly why Art SMP appeals to me so much. If I do get in, I'm planning on making content creation here as I'm trying to grow my channel, and this server seems like a good place to start. I'd love the opportunity to meet new people, make friends, and have fun in general. So that's my application. Hopefully I've convinced you that I'm more than just a professional grinder with questionable sleep habits. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll consider my application. Bye bye!